Hey guys, I just want to make sure we understood some clarification on counting atoms. So I'm going to do a couple examples from this page, which you're working on today. And so please make sure you watch the whole video. Let's take a look real quick at number 5. All right, so we're going to take a look at number 5. And here you see you have 8Cl2O. Remember, this 8 goes all the way through. All right, so you're going to use the 8 all the way through. So here we have Cl2. So Cl2, but there's really 8 of them. So that would be like putting Cl2 out here 8 times. All right, and you could do that if you wanted to, but you don't need to. You could just count in your head. All right, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, and you could just do that 8 times. So really 8 times 2, so Cl2 is really 8 times 2, which is 16 Cls. And then, of course, you have the oxygen, which is just 1. And you could list the oxygen out here 8 times if you wanted to, right? But you don't need to. You could just simply say, well, it's oxygen, which is 1, and 8 times 1 is 8, so I have 8 oxygens. Just wanted to make sure we understood that, how the number in front works for the entire compound. The other example I want to work is something like this. Let's go down here to number 14. And so on this, on number 14, you got the number in front, again, which works its way all the way through. But this time we've got some subscripts next to the symbols. And so here we have 3 working its way all the way through. So we have V2, but there's 3 of them. So 3, 2 times is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So that would be really 6 V's. And here we have O5, but the 3 works its way all the way through. So 3 5s, or 3 times 5, is 15 O's. The last example, let's do number 18 here together. And so on 18, we've got 4 working its way all the way through. But we also have parentheses right here and here. And you know, in parentheses, this 3 needs to go here, and the 3 also needs to go here, and it needs to multiply. So let's kind of work this one out together here. And so we have 4AU. There's no number after the AU, so that just means 4 of them. So 4 times 1 is 4. But then we have the I, so the I is in parentheses. So the first thing we need to do is multiply. All right, we have I times 3, which would be 3. But in reality, there's 4 of them, right? So if you have 4, but you're really taking it times 3 of them, that's equal to 12. And then we have the O, and the O is 3, but times 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. But in reality, there's 4 of them, so that would be 9, 18, 27, 36. So really, there's 36. So there's some additional help. Hope that helps avoid any confusion. And don't forget to take the homework check with about 20 to 15 minutes left in class. That will post, and you can take the homework check. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. See you next week on week 14.